In this video I'm gonna show you how to make public group on Telegram. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Telegram, open your group and tap on group icon here at the top right, and here select edit. On that screen tap on group type. Now it's set to private, and here I can switch that to public. Groups can be found in search, chat history is available to everyone and anyone can join. And here below I can add custom link to my group. Your link have to be unique, and if it's already taken you will get such an error message. And let me add some symbols. Here I got that link is available, and now I just tap done. And the last action, confirm the changes. So now my group is public, you can check it here, and I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.